Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the vertical turbine means VT pump. What is a vertical turbine pump? Pump is mounted vertically and hence popularly known as a vertical turbine means a VT pump. It is a main type of a centrifugal pump. What is the application of vertical turbine pump? Vertical turbine pump is a generally used in irrigation and the water supply chain. It is also used in oil and petrochemicals, cooling towers, power plant, steel mills, and in a fire pump application. Also used in seawater lifting and in mining. What is the advantages of a vertical turbine pumps? Vertical turbine pump has a priming not required because of its impeller is in a submergence condition. So it is not required for a priming. It is a high flow and high head range in VT pump as compared to the horizontal pump. It has a required minimum installation space. Pump has a high lifting capacity. Due to a vertical condition, it has a self-guide groove or a motor alignment. So there is a minimum chance of a misalignment. Motor is always safe in a load condition. The construction of a VT pump. Slurry bend with motor stool, pump gland or a mechanical seal, pump bearing housing, console plate for a mounting, pump top column pipe, intermittent pipe, upper pipe or a bottom pipe, all assembly, and last one is a bell mouth. Vertical turbine type. VT pump has a normally two type as per their discharge outlet. One is a above floor and second one is a below floor. Suppose vertical turbine pump delivery above floor is called as the above floor pump. Suppose vertical turbine pump delivery is a below floor is called as the below floor pump. Here is the above floor example. This is a floor level and our discharge outlet is a above floor, so it is called as above floor VT pump. In another picture, look the floor level and our discharge outlet is a below floor, so it is called as below floor VT pump. VT pump construction as per their application based on. Here is a picture of the canister type VT pump. It is a self-lubricated by the pumping liquid. Pump has a canister, so it is called as the canister VT pump. In another picture, looking the motor thrust bearing VT type. In that type, pump has a no bearing. Portal setting is a depend on the motor thrust bearing, so it is called as motor thrust bearing VT pump. In that picture, looking a hollow shaft motor, so it is called as a hollow shaft VT pump. In that type, setting is a depend on the motor thrust bearing. Pump and motor has a no coupling for a power transmission. In that, use a common shaft for a power transmission. In that another example, the engine driven VT pump. In that type, pump has a no bearing. Pump setting is a depend on the gearbox thrust bearing. For a power transmission, use Cardan shaft engine to gearbox. In that type, 19-degree gearbox used for a power transmission. Customized design. Vertical turbine is the one of the pump is handling any kind of liquid. It will be customized as per their site demand. VT pump can be used low head to high head range. VT pump is a customized single stage to a multi-stage as they depend on the site condition. VT pump has a open type, closed type and a semi-open type impeller. VT pump is a handling any kind of the water. Thank you. Thank you for watching. In next video, we will see the following point: major component of VT pump and why it is used, how to calculate bowl head, what is the minimum submergence, what is the nozzle head, what is the pump head, and how to calculate the pump efficiency. For the next video notification, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.